Controls for your central heating and hot water are found to the left of the control panel, above the large slide door. In order to operate the controls, you'll need to have the main control panel turned on. To wake up the controls, simply pass your hand in front of it and the display will illuminate. It is a dual system, so both the heating and hot water can be operated whether using gas or your mains electric. The left display controls the heating. The plus and minus buttons control the temperature. If using gas, push the button with the flame symbol to turn it on. The symbol will turn blue, meaning it is on standby, and when the gas kicks in, it will change to orange. If you're receiving mains electric, push the button with the flash symbol. It will again turn blue before changing to orange to indicate the heating is on. The three blue lights above the flash symbol represent the amount of power you're receiving. Hold your finger on the flash symbol to cycle through the options. One blue light equals 750 watts, two blue lights is 1500 watts, and three blue lights is 3 kilowatts. We recommend having it set to 2. The water heating controls on the right operate in exactly the same way. The only difference is that for the temperature you have only 2 choices. Eco is ideal for washing up or general washing. Set it to maximum if planning on using the shower, so you can mix it with the cold water, giving yourself a larger volume of warm water. To turn off, push the power source button again until the light goes off.